Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to create a Facebook and Instagram post animation using a very simple technique. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial, so don't worry if you're just starting out. So let's get started. First, create a new render composition. The preset I use is 1080 by 1080 and the duration is 10 seconds. Press OK. Now import the footage files. Create a new solid. I call this BG. Then drag the brush stroke into the timeline and change the scale value to 70. Apply the fill effect and change the color to a soft light gray. Next, drag the brush stroke into the timeline again. Change the scale value to 32%. Then, drag the pizza image into the timeline and adjust the scale value to 13%. Apply the fill effect and pick a color from the pizza image. It's such a satisfying little detail. Now type the text, "Delicious Pizza," and change the color. I pick the color from the pizza image, and I'm using the Alpha Slab font. Then duplicate the text and change it to pizza. Switch the font. I'm using the Fox Light script font. And tweak the color like this. Duplicate this text again for the slogan line. I copied this slogan from Google, but feel free to use your own. It's all about making it personal. Change the font to Gagarin and the color to black. Now let's create the Order Now button. Create a rounded rectangle, then duplicate the text and change it to Order Now. Adjust the sequence like this. Set the alignment and change the color to white. It's starting to look so clean and professional. Let's start the animation. Select the pen tool and draw zigzag lines like this. Turn off the fill and add a stroke. Set the color to white and the size to 300 pixels. Apply the turbulence displacement effect to the zigzag shape lines. Change the displacement to horizontal displacement. Set the amount to 1000 and the size to 5. Now change the track matte to Luma matte. Then add the trim path effect and animate it. Animate the end value like this. And press F9 for easy ease. It's such a smooth touch. Duplicate this shape layer and change the sequence. Drag it above the pizza image. Change the matte to Luma matte. Now let's animate the text. I'm using the Animator Composer plugin to save time. By the way, it's free, so you can download it and make your workflow so much easier. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel and give it a like. It means the world to me. See you in the next video. Goodbye.